What's going on, guys? Welcome to week 2 of this $200 challenge. Now, last week we managed to gain just about 20% of our account in profit, leaving us with $236 in the account for us to start this next week. So coming into this week, that's what we'll be starting at, and we're looking to gain 10% for the week. That is our goal. I want to keep these videos as short and as valuable as possible. So I'm just going to hop straight into when I took my first 2 trades for the week. What is going on, guys? The day is Monday, September 14th, and it is about 5:30 p.m. I just placed my first 2 trades of the week, and the first one being Euro USD. Here we are on the daily. We see that we are in this nice channel here, and it did bounce off of the bottom of this channel and made some upward movement. So I entered this trade right here, targeting the top of the channel and putting my stop loss right below the bottom of the trend line. I will post a screenshot on my phone that I did take this trade. However, I did exit pretty much at break even. What ended up happening is it went into profit about 20 pips, came back down to almost break even, and I kind of got scared at that point. I let my emotions get the best of me, and I just exited the trade. I lost about 99 cents on the trade, which is not even a 0.5% on my account, so I am fine with that. I'm also in another trade on NZDJPY, and I'll put the clip right here on my phone showing you that I am in this trade. Basically, breaking down this trade, why did I take it? What am I seeing? On the weekly, we can see that we're in a very strong downtrend. Recently, it hit the top of the trend line and is now rejecting it. I did place a trade right around here last week, capturing this nice red candle. And I did document that. It is in my last video, so go check that out if you haven't already. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, the pair gave me a nice entry for another sell opportunity. What ended up happening was that it created this nice support here, came back down, broke through, came up to retest that previous support as resistance. As you can see, we have nice long wicks right here, showing that buyers attempted to move the price beyond this resistance level, but failed to do so. Now this happened another time right here, and it happened a third time right here. To me, this shows that this is a very strong resistance zone, and now is a good opportunity to get into the trade. I entered right at 70.9, and I am targeting the previous low right here at 70, putting my stop loss at 71.25, right above the resistance zone, giving it a little bit of room to maybe wick up and reject the zone one more time. But this is a very good risk to reward ratio trade. I did show you guys the clip on my phone that I'm in this trade, and I will keep you guys updated with how it goes throughout the week. And I will also update you on any new trades that I enter. I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, guys? It is Tuesday, September 15th, and I just placed another trade on CHF-JPY. So breaking down this pair, on the weekly, we see that we have finally reached this very, very strong resistance zone. It hit 3 times in the past and rejected the zone, and it came back to test for a 4th time. As you can see, we see very nice rejection here, super nice wicks, and a turn in momentum here. Going on to the 1 hour, this is where I placed my entry. Ideally, I would want to place my entry somewhere up here, but I kind of missed that, and the market gave me another entry right here. Basically, we have this nice support. It broke through, and now it's acting as resistance here. I put my stop loss right above the zone, and my take profit is down here at 115 flat for a nice, good risk to reward ratio. Now, why is my take profit down there? On the daily, we have a nice head and shoulders formation, and I'm looking for the pattern to complete its leg down to the neckline. Also, while I'm here, an update on NZDJPY. I'm on the 4 hour. Again, I took my trade back here. It came down into profit nicely, and then it actually shot back up. And if you look closely, price actually was 3 pips away from hitting my stop loss. So that's pretty insane to me. It came right back down into profit again, so I'm very, very happy about that. And this is exactly why you need to widen out your stop loss so that it's above the zone in order to give the market some room to fluctuate, because that's going to happen. So this is how I'm looking on this pair. I will keep you guys updated on both pairs throughout the week. I'm not sure if I'll be placing a third trade, only because I'm already risking about 8% of my account, and I'm trying to manage my risk at least a little bit, but it's not that easy just because it's such a small account. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, the day is Wednesday, September 16, and it is 10:30 p.m. And this is how my trades went. Here on the 4 hour on NZDJPY, I entered way back over here, and as you can see, it was ranging for a while before it ended up going down into profit. But I did close this trade early. I got scared from all of the sideways movement and closed my trade around 70.5-ish, I think. But I still made profit, and I'm happy with this trade, and I think it's going to hit my take profit. So if you took this trade with me, then and you're still holding, then good for you. As you can see, it was 3 pips away from hitting my stop loss, so I think this was a crazy trade. I should have held it, but it is what it is. Profit is profit. I'm not complaining. Let's go to CHFJPY. I also did close this trade as well. This one did hit my take profit here. Look at this beautiful trade, guys. Let's go on the 1 hour. This is where I entered. Beautiful support. Broke through. Came back to retest. I entered right in here, this line. And bam, guys. What is this? 116 to 115. 100 pip profit on this trade. If you guys took this with me, congratulations. I'll be posting proof that I closed both of these trades right now. As you can see, my exact entries and exit are right on the screenshot, and the time that I closed these trades. I did close them around 11:30 p.m. or 11:30 a.m. in the morning, I believe. So this is what happened, guys. Secured over 100 pips on this trade, and so far 60 pips on this trade. Yes, I did close them both early, but I mean, I just got to hold next time, guys. I got to have more patience. I preach all the time that patience is key in this market. I took these trades on a Monday, and it's Wednesday now, so I had to hold these trades for 2 days, and I should have even held them longer. This is the trade for you guys. I might take one more trade before the week ends on GU. GBP USD is looking real nice here with this support here. Came back to test as resistance and actually broke through. Came back again to test as support again. So if this has some nice rejection here and a little bit of upside, I will place a buy here, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But I have reached my goal for the week of 10% profit. Like I said, I might take this trade, I might not. It's just depending on how good it looks. But I will let you know if I do. See you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, the day is Friday, September 18th, and the markets are just about to close for the weekend. I did not place any trades after my last two that you just saw. I did plan on trading GBP USD before the week ended, but it just didn't go my way. I never got the setup that I wanted, and so I didn't take the trade. And so we're ending off this week with $259 in the account, which is just about a 30% total gain in the last 2 weeks. Now, guys, remember the goal was 10% a week, and we ended up gaining an average of 15% a week instead. So we have room for some losses in the future. I do expect losses in the future, guys. I'm not a perfect trader. So far the last 2 weeks, all of my trades have been profitable except for one, I think, and that was Euro USD, which I exited the trade at break even. So I mean, I've been profitable for the last 2 weeks. If you guys want to learn how to trade, I will teach you for free. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. I might set up some kind of like course or Discord or something. It will be free. I want to make a free Telegram, but I need, enough people that want to join it. I'm not just going to make one and post my analysis to nobody. So I'm just kind of waiting. I want to see in the comments what you guys think and what you want, and if you'll join something like that. So that's pretty much it for the week. I will make a new video next week showing you guys all my trades live as they happen. Now, I can't show you the entire trade in one clip just because I'm more of I would say like a swing trader / day trader. I don't really scalp. So when I take my trades, I don't exit until like 2 or 3 days after, or 1 to 3 days after. So I can't put the entire trade in one clip. Nobody would watch that. So I try to show you, record exactly when I enter and show you the chart when I enter so that you can see that, there's no bullshit games being played here. Everything's live. Everything is transparent. So that's it for me, guys. I'm done for the week. I will see you guys next week for week 3 of this challenge.